Hello again guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off WhatsApp notification. First thing that you need to do is just go to your phone settings. Just simply tap your phone settings and from here go to apps. Just tap this apps option and from here tap again the apps option and here from the search apps just type WhatsApp, and once the WhatsApp application appeared here, just tap and you will see a notifications option here. Just tap it again and here in this allow notifications, just turn off this toggle option. Okay, let's turn it off. And that's it guys on how to turn off WhatsApp notification. I hope this video helps you a lot and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.